All right, gentlemen, Dr. Vella here. I want to share a little bit of information with you about AP English Literature 4. This is, of course, for our rising juniors. I want to first talk about the two primary paths by which you can arrive in AP English Literature 4, and then I'll talk a little bit about the content and what you can expect from the class. Okay? So, this is, of course, a class for seniors. So this is addressed now to our rising juniors. And here are the two paths to arrive in AP English Literature 4. Most of our students arrive coming from AP English Language 3. And I would say more than 95% of the students in AP English Literature 4 are coming from AP English Language 3. And if you are in AP English Language 3, all you need to do to qualify for Literature 4 is to maintain a C- or better and to take the AP exam in May. And if you do those two things, you are automatically qualified to join AP English Literature 4. There's nothing else you need to do, no recommendation, no test, no nothing. Okay? And we certainly welcome you coming from AP English Language 3 to join us in Literature 4. And we hope for 100% of our Language 3 students to join us in Literature 4. The second way that students sometimes arrive in AP English Literature 4 is coming to us through English 3, the core class. This core class, we probably get fewer than 5% of our students arriving through this path, but we still do get, usually a few every year. And students who take this path will need a teacher recommendation to evaluate their candidacy. They will also be evaluated on their GPA, both their overall GPA as well as their English GPA. And there may also be a request for a writing sample in order to be admitted from English 3 to Literature 4. Okay? All right, so a little bit briefly about the content that you can expect from this class. First of all, it is of course preparation for the AP Literature exam. Now the main difference you'll notice between the literature exam and the language exam is that the lit exam covers fiction, and it covers both prose and poetry. The language exam, those of you who've been through that path, you know that the language exam is only on nonfiction, and it only covers prose. So the literature exam includes poetry and is entirely focused on fiction. Okay? So, what you can expect in our specific classes, this varies by teacher and by year, but in terms of the genres you will be reading, you can expect to read at least one tragedy. Usually that includes both a Greek tragedy and a Shakespearean tragedy. Okay, we will also read novels, both contemporary and older novels, and we do a great deal of short fiction and a great deal of poetry. Okay. In terms of writing that you can expect for the class, you can expect literary analysis papers. You can also expect research writing. No matter who you take for the class, you will produce a research paper. And then finally, in terms of the examinations for the course, the exams are primarily written and analytical, demanding a great deal of critical thinking. And overall, what we hope for with this class is that it prepares you not only for the AP Literature exam in the near future, but in the long-term future, that it prepares you for any undergraduate course you may be taking in the humanities. All right, gentlemen, I thank you for your attention. I hope this answers all your questions about the course, and I wish you luck in your registration process. This is Dr. Vela, signing out.